The Prime Minister inaugurated the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar. Let's take a look at this report.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention in Bhubaneswar today. The Pravasi Bharatiya Divas being jointly organised by the Ministry of External Affairs and the BJP government in Odisha runs from the 8th of January to the 10th of January. The theme of the convention is Diaspora's contribution to a Viksit Bharat. Commemorating the return of Mahatma Gandhi from abroad in 1915, Prime Minister Modi also flagged off the Pravasi Bharatiya train services.
In just a few days, the Mahakumbh will start in Prayagraj. The festival of Makar Sankranti, Lohri, Pongal and Magh Bihu are also coming up. There is a joyful atmosphere everywhere.
The special train, launched by the Prime Minister, will take around 150 people on a tour of 17 destinations related to tourism and faith.
थोड़ी देर पहले एक विशेष प्रवासी भारतीय एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन शुरू करने का अवसर मुझे मिला। इसमें करीब 150 लोग टूरिज्म और आस्था से जुड़े 17 डेस्टिनेशन का टूर करेंगे।
Praising India's growing economy, Prime Minister Modi also highlighted that India is poised to become the third largest economy globally very soon.
सिर्फ 10 साल में भारत ने अपने यहां 25 करोड़ लोगों को गरीबी से बाहर निकाला है। सिर्फ 10 सालों में भारत दुनिया की 10th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी से ऊपर उठकर 5th लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बन गया है। वो दिन दूर नहीं जब भारत दुनिया की 3rd लार्जेस्ट इकोनॉमी बनेगा।
Prime Minister Modi further emphasized that India is a nation filled with skilled youth and its growing influence means the world now listens to India, a rising force of the global stage.
भारत के ये जो अचीवमेंट्स है, ये जो प्रोस्पेक्ट्स आज भारत में दिख रहे हैं, इसके कारण भारत की वैश्विक भूमिका बढ़ रही है। भारत की बात को आज दुनिया ध्यान से सुनती है। आज का भारत अपना पॉइंट तो स्ट्रांगली रखता ही है, ग्लोबल साउथ की आवाज को भी पूरी ताकत से उठाता है।
Odisha's Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi lauded Prime Minister Modi's contributions to strengthening the tourism sector in the state.
With the guidance of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the golden period of Odisha's journey of development has already started. I invite you to join hands with us in shaping a bright future for Odisha and India as well. Together, we can realize the Viksit Bharat by 2047, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji.
With the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention highlighting India's growing global influence and the launch of initiatives to strengthen tourism and faith-based travel, Prime Minister Modi's vision for a Viksit Bharat continues to take shape, inspiring both the diaspora and the nation at large.
Viewers, there have been waves of raging wildfires across